Hello guys, I'm planning to prepare a series of an end-to-end projects, machine learning projects from scratch to model data collection, pre-processing, model building, and up to Flask API. So this is an end-to-end projects series. Today I'm going to explain about this COVID-19 detection based on human chest X-ray. So the use of this project is you can simply upload your chest X-ray and the model will run in the backend, and it will detect whether you have a COVID positive or negative, like a normal patient or a COVID patient. So this project I take it as this project I take it as a challenge, and I worked a lot on this project to 1 week. So the main I have collected data from different sources. So here we have in Kaggle we have a pneumonia data set. So from that just see here from here we have a three directories. So here we have normal patient and pneumonia patient. So from this I collected normal patient images. From here all the images are like chest X-rays I collected from this. And here is a big challenge is we got a normal patient X-rays from Kaggle, but the COVID patient positive X-rays, here is the big challenge to collect COVID patient X-rays. So I collected and for this project my friend who is working as a MBBS doctor in government medical college, so he helped me a lot on this project, and he had given up to 200 to 300 images for me of a COVID patient. So he helped me a lot for this project. I will show you, and I divided these things. Like he has given like 2 to 300 photos. So to train a neural network, we have a huge amount of data. So I converted those 200 to 300 images by applying data augmentation techniques like zoom in, zoom out. Converted to 900 images. So I trained on that, and I got some accuracy like 96% on train and something 92 on test. So I deployed this and I created an API for this one. So today I am going to explain about this one. So here I imported all necessary packages to run the neural networks. By using transfer learning techniques, I trained the model. Here I use a mobile net like ImageNet. These are the pre-trained models, and I downloaded from the. You can simply type this command. You can get easily downloaded from the GitHub link. So here I train the model, and here ImageNet like thing sources we have here top model. To train the neural network, here we have to change the last network to ReLU, by using activation function ReLU softmax. Here we are using like two binary classification COVID positive, normal patients. So better to load this this model and connect it to this the mobile input, and the output is a new mode what you have created here. This one I take it as a fully connected a new mode. So output should be new mode, like what we have created, the binary class softmax. We can also use sigmoid, and here the input it means top of the models should be mobilenet.input like these. I will show you the summary of it. These are all the mobile nets from here to these are all the mobile nets, and at last we have created here we have created these functions like output to and dense layers we have created. So yeah, here I have given the train path and that valid path, and here I rescale that one. So to train the neural networks, we have a scalar data. So that's why I turn these images to scale, and here I selected the batch number, and here I am doing the data generator, data augmentation, like zoom in, zoom out, like that. And here I created the model. It means I am seeing the patient C3, like if there is a not improvement from epoch to epoch, we have to wait for 3 epochs, and from it will be discarded from that. It will be here we have, I will explain you that what is the use of that. And here I named the model, trainer model, as a corona.h5, and I'm concentrating on validation loss. Here I'm doing compilation, model.compilation. Here I'm fitting the train. So the model starts here and up to here, and I got at last I got a accuracy of 0.97 on train data. Validation accuracy 0.54. It's completely overfitted. You can increase this model by here changing the model layers. You can change those things, and you will get a better accuracy. And I did that one. I will and I uploaded that. I will give that corona.h5 model file to as a link to download for you. And here I train the model, and the patient is seeing like here, and the model decreases from infinity to this loss, and it will check another epoch, and it will check another epoch, it will check another epoch. There is no improvement, so it's terminated the program here only. It will not perform all the epochs to 30 epochs. There is a time-based process. It's not doing any time-based process. So this is a model building by using transfer techniques. So I'm going to explain about the API also by using Flask server. Flask, I created the API system. So here I load the model, whatever we have saved the model here as a, here I load the model, and I created some pre-processed image. So transfer learning techniques can take the input image as a 224 by 224 only. So that's case I resized it one by using Tensorflow. Here I imported the Tensorflow, and I have loaded the image. So after loaded the image, and I doing pre-processing image, and calling the function pre-processing image here. So whatever the image you have given to here, so I'm going to classify here. I'm doing some pre-processing image and reshaping the whole things here to classify. Here we have two things. So one is COVID positive and normal thing. So from this I'm doing I'm calculating the top 2 classes. Here we are having top 2 classes. For the other case we are having 10-20 cases. I'm calculating only top 2 classes. I'm taking from that. So I created the label here, and I have written some code, HTML codes, CSS codes. So you can refer that one also. I will give and I will upload you, and you can check the link in the description. So here I classified the images. This @app router means it will generate, like here we have slash symbols, like after that it will, the ChestX-ray report is there now. So for that it will the home page, first of all you are opening the project, it will give like home.html, like a slash bar, and the next will be uploaded file will be given, like here this uploaded file name comes here. So next page, like slash next page, like that. So another next page will be classify file name, like here it will become classify name. So debug equal to true. So let's go to the project root directory and run the project, how it will look like. So anaconda prompt.